हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सौरभ सर क्लासेस। टुडे हम लोग एक तो ग्रुप थ्योरी का एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे. दिस इज नॉट ग्रुप थ्योरी, दिस इज क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम लीनियर अलजेब्रा. Okay, so given that A is a matrix from GL5C. Okay, this is very good question. So what is GL5C? GL5C implies the set of all 5 cross 5 matrix, set of all 5 cross 5 matrix whose entries from all C. That means the entry of A are complex number such that determinant of A not equals to 0. Okay, this is the group. So given that if A square is diagonalizable, then is it A diagonalizable or not? Okay, so A square is okay. Let A is not diagonalizable. Okay, that means okay, we know that if a matrix is diagonalizable, then its canonical form is strictly a diagonal matrix. That means if A is diagonalizable, that if A is diagonalizable, diagonalizable, which implies its Jordan canonical form is a diagonal matrix जिसका diagonal में सिर्फ आइगन वैल्यू रहेंगे, बाकी अपर diagonal element and lower diagonal element will be zero. But here A is not diagonalizable, not diagonalizable. Diagonalizable. That means, which implies in JC form, that means Jordan canonical form, there should be a block whose order is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, that means there is a block like J equals to lambda 1 0 lambda, but lambda is the eigenvalue of A. Lambda is eigenvalue of A. Okay, क्यों? Because we assume that A is not diagonalizable. Okay, so this is the one of the Jordan block of the Jordan canonical form of the matrix A. Okay, and here we see that this block is block में lambda is an eigenvalue. So lambda का algebraic multiplicity है 2, and when we try to find the nullity of J minus lambda I, which means the nullity of the matrix 0 1 0 0, this gives 1, which is the geometric multiplicity of lambda. So lambda का algebraic multiplicity है 2 and geometric multiplicity है 1. That's why J is not diagonalizable, and this implies A is not diagonalizable. So that's why we take such an example. Okay, so J is lambda 1 0 lambda. Now when we did A square, then corresponding in Jordan canonical form, the block will also get squared. That means in A square, the Jordan block become J square, which is lambda 1 0 lambda into lambda 1 0 lambda, which will gives lambda square 2 lambda 0 lambda square. That means A square has eigenvalue lambda square, which is not equal to 0, as we here take that lambda not equals to 0. because while lambda not equal to 0, had given that A is from 5 cross 5 and A is not diagonalizable. So let us take a lambda not equal to 0 an eigenvalue. Okay. So here lambda square is not equal to 0 and also 2 lambda not equal to 0 and lambda square has algebraic multiplicity 2 and geometric multiplicity similarly as above 1. So this implies A square is also not diagonalizable. And the reason that why lambda not equal to 0, because the matrix we take from GL5C and the one of the main criteria from the matrix comes from this group. The matrix should be, the determinant should be non-zero. That means 0 cannot be an eigenvalue of such matrices. That's why lambda is not equal to 0 and hence lambda square is not equal to 0. This is okay. This is So we see that here also A square is not diagonalizable because lambda square is one of the eigenvalue of A square whose algebraic multiplicity is 2 and geometric multiplicity is 1. So hence A square is not diagonalizable. So what we get, हम लोग को क्या मिले कि if we consider A is not diagonalizable, this implies A square is not diagonalizable. So by counter positively, by counter positively, this is the very useful tool in mathematics, the counter positive. So this is counter, sorry, this is counter positively. We get if A square diagonalizable, this implies A is diagonalizable. So hence, and we all take this A from GL5C. So this is the statement, and the given statement is same, is A square diagonalizable, then A is also diagonalizable. Hence, the given statement is big true. This is a very good question. That means true. Big true means true. So, hence, the given statement is true. Thank you.